In a world fraught with challenges, it is the spiritual warriors, the chosen ones, who herald major breakthroughs. Welcome, dear friends, to the beginning of a journey. A journey that's not just about traversing through the physical world, but one that delves into the realms of the spiritual. We find ourselves navigating through a world that's riddled with challenges and complexities. Yet, amid these trials, there are those who stand tall, who rise above the ordinary. They are the chosen ones, the spiritual warriors. These chosen ones are not just individuals with extraordinary abilities or powers. They are souls that have been selected, guided, and nurtured by the universe itself. They are the torchbearers of change, the catalysts for major breakthroughs. And these breakthroughs are not just about scientific or technological advancements. They are about shifts in consciousness, transformations in the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. Here on this channel, we seek to delve into the concept of these chosen ones in spirituality. We aim to shed light on their role in bringing about significant changes, their impact on our collective journey. Each video we craft is imbued with the intention to enlighten, to inspire, and hopefully, to guide you towards your own breakthrough. But why do we do this? Because we believe in the power of shared knowledge, in the transformative potential of collective wisdom. And we believe in you, the viewer, the seeker. We believe that each one of us has the potential to become a chosen one, to bring about a major breakthrough. But this journey we embark on is not a solitary one. It's a shared endeavor, a collective voyage. And for this journey to continue, for this exploration to deepen, we need your support. If our content resonates with you, if you find value in our offerings, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support not only fuels our motivation, but also helps us deliver enlightening content that can guide us all towards our individual and collective breakthroughs. If you resonate with our content, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support fuels our motivation to deliver enlightening content. The chosen ones are not just characters from fantasy novels. They exist among us, often unnoticed. These individuals, often dubbed chosen ones, are imbued with unique traits and abilities that set them apart. They carry an air of otherworldliness, a sense of purpose that transcends the mundane, and a connection to the spiritual realm that's both powerful and profound. This connection allows them to act as catalysts for major spiritual breakthroughs. They're the torchbearers, the pathfinders, the ones who brave the unknown to bring back wisdom and enlightenment for the rest of us. They're like the explorers of yesteryears, venturing into uncharted territories, not of land or sea, but of the human soul and the mysteries of the universe. Take, for instance, the Buddha, whose pursuit of the truth led to a spiritual awakening that transformed the course of human history. Or consider Joan of Arc, a simple peasant girl who claimed to have visions from God, leading her to play a pivotal role in the 100 Years' War. These individuals were seen as chosen ones, their lives marked by extraordinary events and spiritual breakthroughs. But what makes a chosen one? Is it a divine calling, a particular set of skills, or perhaps a combination of both? Well, it's a bit of a mystery. It seems that these individuals are born with an innate ability to tap into the spiritual realm, to connect with the divine in a way that others can't. They show an early inclination towards spirituality, often displaying wisdom beyond their years. They're drawn to the path of self-discovery, and they embrace it with a courage and determination that's truly inspiring. Yet, despite their extraordinary abilities, the chosen ones are not exempt from life's trials and tribulations. They too face challenges, setbacks, and doubts. In fact, it is often through these very struggles that they find their true purpose and strength. They learn to harness their spiritual gifts, to channel them in ways that can bring about positive change and major breakthroughs. The chosen ones play a crucial role in our spiritual journey. They inspire us with their courage, they guide us with their wisdom, and they remind us of our own potential for spiritual growth. They show us that the path to enlightenment is not a straight line but a winding road, filled with unexpected turns and surprising discoveries. But remember, the chosen ones are not the only ones capable of achieving major breakthroughs. each of us has the potential to tap into our spiritual selves, to seek the truth, and to bring about positive change. All it takes is a bit of courage, a dash of determination, and a whole lot of openness to the mysteries of the universe. So, as we journey through life, let's keep our eyes open for the chosen ones. Let's learn from their wisdom, draw inspiration from their courage, and follow their lead towards our own spiritual breakthroughs. The chosen ones, though they may walk among us unnoticed, have a profound impact on our spiritual journey. Recognizing the chosen ones is not always easy, but there are signs if you know where to look. The chosen ones amongst us often emanate an energy that's hard to ignore. They seem to shine a little brighter, vibrate a little higher. Their aura is unique, not just in its intensity, but in its quality. It's a blend of tranquility and dynamism, of humility and confidence. It's like a beacon that seems to draw others towards them. This energy is not just superficial, it's a reflection of something deeper, a profound wisdom that seems to transcend their years and experiences. They have an intuitive understanding of the world and its workings, a perspective that often leaves others in awe. Their words carry weight, their silence speaks volumes, and their insight often feels like a warm light in a cold, confusing world. Yet this wisdom is not just for show. The chosen ones use it to inspire change, to make a difference. They challenge the status quo, question what's given, and push boundaries. They're not afraid of being different, of standing out. They embrace it. They know that change is often uncomfortable, but they're willing to endure the discomfort for the greater good. They not only inspire change, they embody it. They walk their talk, living their truth every day. Their life is a testament to their beliefs, a living example of what they stand for. They're not perfect, but they're authentic. They're not infallible, but they're resilient. They stumble, they fall, but they always rise, stronger and wiser. The chosen ones are not just leaders, they're catalysts. They don't just make a difference, they inspire others to do the same. They awaken the dormant potential within others, helping them realize their true worth. They're not just a source of inspiration, they're a force of transformation. Recognizing the chosen ones is not about putting them on a pedestal. It's about understanding their role, their purpose. It's about acknowledging their efforts, their contributions. It's about learning from them, growing with them. And who knows, as you start recognizing these signs, you might just discover a chosen one in your life. Or better yet, realize that you are one. Knowing these signs, you might just find a chosen one in your life. Major breakthroughs are not always about scientific discoveries or technological advancements. They can also be spiritual. When we talk about breakthroughs, we often imagine groundbreaking scientific discoveries or innovative technological advancements. But have you ever considered the concept of a spiritual breakthrough? This is a transformation that takes place deep within the human soul, a profound shift in understanding that can dramatically alter our perception of ourselves and the world around us. Spiritual breakthroughs are no less significant than their scientific counterparts. They are deeply personal experiences that can impact individuals and societies alike. Imagine a moment of enlightenment where the clouds of confusion dissipate and you're left with a clear, radiant understanding of your place in the universe. This is the essence of a spiritual breakthrough. The significance of these breakthroughs lies in their transformative power. They can spark a profound change in our perspective, making us more attuned to the interconnectedness of all things. They can foster a greater sense of empathy, compassion, and love, not just for ourselves, but for all beings. They can also guide us towards a path of inner peace and harmony, helping us navigate the tumultuous sea of life with grace and resilience. Spiritual breakthroughs can occur spontaneously, often triggered by intense experiences or deep contemplation. They can also be cultivated through consistent practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and spiritual inquiry. These practices help us cultivate a keen sense of awareness, allowing us to pierce through the veil of illusion and connect with our true nature. The impact of these breakthroughs is far-reaching. On an individual level, they can lead to profound personal growth and self-realization. They can help us shed our limiting beliefs, overcome our fears, and embrace our potential. They can awaken in us a sense of purpose and direction, guiding us towards a fulfilling and meaningful life. On a societal level, spiritual breakthroughs can inspire collective transformation. They can foster a sense of unity and interconnectedness, helping us recognize our shared humanity. They can motivate us to work towards a more compassionate, equitable, and sustainable world. They can also help us transcend our differences and work together for the greater good. Yet spiritual breakthroughs are not always easy. They often involve confronting our deepest fears and insecurities, challenging our ingrained beliefs, and stepping out of our comfort zone. They require courage, perseverance, and an open heart. But the rewards are immense. They can lead to a life filled with peace, joy, and fulfillment, a life aligned with our true nature and purpose. So, as we journey through life, let's not just strive for scientific or technological breakthroughs, let's also seek spiritual breakthroughs. Let's strive for a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Let's aspire to live a life of authenticity, compassion, and interconnectedness. And let's remember that every step we take on this journey, no matter how small, is a step towards a major breakthrough. A spiritual breakthrough can be a transformative experience, changing our perception of ourselves and the world around us. The chosen ones, with their profound wisdom and spiritual insight, often play a crucial role in major breakthroughs. Now, you may be wondering, how exactly do these chosen ones facilitate these spiritual breakthroughs? Well, their roles are multifaceted and deeply impactful. They are the torchbearers who lead us into uncharted spiritual territories and help us navigate the complexities of our inner worlds. The first way they facilitate major breakthroughs is by inspiring change. Chosen ones often possess an uncanny knack for seeing the world in a different light. They challenge the status quo, question established norms, and inspire others to do the same. They are the pioneers who dare to dream of a world that is more compassionate, more understanding, and more spiritually connected. Their unique perspective can be a catalyst for change, sparking a chain reaction that leads to a spiritual breakthrough. Imagine a ripple effect, where one person's transformation inspires another, and so on, until a wave of spiritual awakening sweeps across a community, a nation, or even the world. This is the power of the chosen ones. Their influence is not confined to their immediate surroundings, but can extend far beyond. Now, the second way chosen ones play a role in major breakthroughs is by guiding others towards enlightenment. They play the role of spiritual teachers, imparting wisdom and sharing insights that can help others on their spiritual journey. They provide guidance, support, and mentorship, helping individuals navigate their spiritual paths and overcome obstacles that may stand in their way. However, their guidance is not prescriptive or dogmatic. Instead, they empower individuals to seek their own truths, encouraging self-discovery and personal growth. This is a crucial aspect of their role. They understand that each person's spiritual journey is unique, and they respect the individuality of each path. Finally, chosen ones play a crucial role in major breakthroughs by embodying spiritual principles in their daily lives. They walk the talk, living out their spiritual truths in every action, every word, and every thought. They serve as living proof that spiritual breakthroughs are possible, inspiring others through their example. Their lives are a testament to the transformative power of spirituality, demonstrating how it can bring about inner peace, joy, and a deeper understanding of the self and the universe. By embodying these principles, they inspire others to strive for their own spiritual breakthroughs, setting off a ripple effect of spiritual growth and transformation. In conclusion, the chosen ones, through their actions and teachings, pave the way for spiritual breakthroughs. They inspire change, guide others towards enlightenment, and embody spiritual principles in their daily lives. Their influence extends far beyond their immediate surroundings, creating a ripple effect of spiritual awakening that can reach the corners of the globe. Remember, each one of us has the potential to be a chosen one. All it takes is the courage to embark on our own spiritual journey, the wisdom to seek our own truths, and the compassion to inspire others along the way. The chosen ones, through their actions and teachings, pave the way for spiritual breakthroughs. While the chosen ones play a role in facilitating major breakthroughs, It is ultimately up to each one of us to embrace these changes. And how do we do that, you might ask? Well, it starts with preparation. Just like a gardener prepares the soil before planting seeds, we too must prepare ourselves for our own spiritual breakthroughs. So let's delve into the ways we can prepare ourselves for this transformative journey. Firstly, self-reflection is vital. Take a moment each day to look inward, to examine your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Don't be afraid to question your beliefs, your habits, your fears. This introspection allows us to identify areas of growth and areas that may be holding us back. Next, meditation. Quietening the mind can be a powerful tool in preparing for a spiritual breakthrough. It provides a space for us to connect with our inner selves and the universe around us. Meditation allows us to tap into a sense of peace and tranquility, helping us to navigate the tumultuous journey of change. And finally, open-mindedness. In this context, it means being receptive to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences. It means letting go of rigid beliefs and embracing flexibility. Remember, a closed mind is like a closed book. Its wisdom is lost to the world. An open mind, however, is like a flowing river, ever-changing, ever-evolving. So, as we journey towards our major breakthrough, let's remember to practice self-reflection, to meditate, and to keep an open mind. These practices can help us to prepare ourselves, to be ready for when the time comes. But remember, there is no rush. Everyone's journey is unique and unfolds at its own pace. Don't compare your journey to others. Instead, focus on your own path, your own growth. Preparation is key. Embrace the possibility of a major breakthrough, and it might just come knocking at your door. So let's get ready. The journey awaits. And who knows, you might be closer to your breakthrough than you think. In this journey of life, we are all potential chosen ones, capable of facilitating our own major breakthroughs. As we journey towards the end of our discussion, let's take a moment to reflect on the significant points we've covered. We delved into the intriguing concept of chosen ones and how major breakthroughs often occur in their lives. These are not superhumans, but everyday individuals who have harnessed the power of their spirituality, leading to significant transformations. We then explored how to recognize these chosen ones. Often they are the ones who radiate positivity, who are resilient in the face of adversity, and who are passionate about their spiritual journey. They are the ones who, despite the odds, continue to strive for growth and evolution. We also touched on the intricate relationship between breakthroughs and spirituality. Breakthroughs are not merely random events. They are deeply intertwined with our spiritual journey. They are the culmination of our spiritual growth, our self-awareness, and our connection with the universe. Moreover, we discussed the pivotal role of chosen ones in major breakthroughs. It's not about being chosen by an outside force, but about choosing ourselves, choosing to embody positivity, resilience, and growth. It's about choosing to be open to the universe's guidance, to be receptive to the opportunities around us, and to be fearless in the face of challenges. Preparing for your major breakthrough, as we have seen, involves embracing your spiritual journey, fostering resilience, and cultivating positivity. It's about aligning yourself with the universe, trusting its guidance, and being patient while it unfolds its plans. In conclusion, being a chosen one is not about being special. It's about realizing the special within us. It's about recognizing our potential and harnessing it for our spiritual growth. It's about embracing the journey with all its ups and downs and trusting the process. Remember, each one of us has the potential to be a chosen one. Your major breakthrough could be just around the corner. Keep seeking, keep evolving,